Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's another vintage bike ride day. We're down here in Haverty Grace. I'm waiting on Keith and Dave to show up. I brought the 89 GT Outpost and we'll see what they're gonna ride when they get here.
Your message, your tone and your message was just like you got Christmas morning,
like,
got
man,
socks and underwear.
all the way to Binghamton, New York for a bike. It was like, man, I shouldn't have got it, but you know, how impulses are.
This one?
No, that's my dad's bike.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was I think that's an early, it's some type of mid-80s or something.
You know, I was thinking it was a Bianchi or whatever.
Bianchi, that's what I always had growing up, a Bianchi. Like, I used to run the streets of town on a Bianchi. I'm gonna put Bianchi tape on.
Oh.
You'll laugh. We're live.
Of course.